If you trade SPX 0DTE options, this report can help you avoid the weakest times of the day. This 0DTE trend spread engine report is updated every weekend at alphacrunching.com. And what it is that the trend spread engine is both a real-time alert system and a performance tracking system. Every alert that's posted in our Discord server is recorded and it's included in this weekly report that you can check on your own. And what you're seeing here is a ranked breakdown of alert performance by time of day. And this helps you know when to focus on these trend-based 0DTE trades. Now in this week's report, we can see that the top performing timeframes are in the 10 to 10:45 zone. We rank them 1 through 5. We do have a 12:15 p.m. These are Eastern times, by the way. What we typically do is let the market open up for about 30 minutes and we start posting these alerts at 10 a.m. every 15 minutes throughout the day. And then we track those trades and we can see which ones perform the best. And we're simply just holding these to expiration. If they make a penny, it's a win. If they lose money, it's a loss. We put out 2 trades per alert. We'll take a look at the alerts here in a second. We put out a Delta 25 wide and a Delta 15-10 wide. We track the performance and tell you which one or which time of day has been the best performer. And this is simply just holding the expiration. Again, it's more of an engine to track performance. It doesn't take into account risk management and all that stuff that a lot of traders like to do. Let's take a quick look at the alerts for today. Since we know that the 10, 10:15, 10:45, 10:30, those are the top performers. Today, those trades were 10 a.m. was bearish, trend down. It gives you strikes, gives you credits. 10:15 was bearish, 10:30 was bearish. What I did for this video is I mark these strikes on the chart of the day. So this is Monday, February 23rd. The market opened up. 30 minutes later, it was posting bearish trades or call credit spreads. And these are simply the short strikes that were posted for all 4 of these. We have the 69.20, the 69.05, the 6900, and the 68.90. The market was very bearish today. We have about 5-10 minutes left in the day, but we can see that all 4 of these are the top performing, are going to expire worthless on the day. Now, even though these are the 4 that we're focused on for today, because those were the top performers in the report, all the other posts throughout the day will also be recorded into the database and will show up in next week's report. So if you're interested in getting data-backed performance tracking, head on over to alphacrunching.com and check out the 0DTE trend spread engine report. I'll see you in the next video.